Hi, Shani. Why are you buying this home?
Yeah, to very simply, very simply, I like it because the schools and the neighborhood. Yeah.
Okay. Would you recommend us to your family and friends?
Yes, yes, sure. I think so. Because actually, yeah, if I have any friends who want to buy any homes at this area, yeah, I will recommend them to do it.
Why are
Yeah.
you doing that?
Your service is good. I know it's not perfect. We have some thing not that good, but yeah, overall it's good. I like it.
Is there any moment during the transaction that you think we are perform beyond your expectations?
The good thing is that the whole process is smooth, and I think the finally I got the whole points understood. Yeah, the overall is good. Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much.